Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Every once in a while, I get a comment. Someone comes to the website and they go to the safety razor section and they're like, where do I start? Where do I begin? So many choices. There's a few hundred razors there. I thought what I would do today is take 5 or 10 minutes, go over 5 very popular razors that we've sold a lot of each one of these razors, and I wouldn't recommend them if they weren't good. So these are great razors. If you're a beginner, you can go with any one of these razors and enjoy your safety razor shaving. And if you don't develop a case of RAD, razor acquisition disorder, you can stick with one of these razors for the next 10, 20 years and enjoy it. All right, and some of these companies have been around for over 100 years. A couple are relative newcomers on the scene, but still very good razors. Let's do it. First up, Edwin Jagger. Oh, and I'm doing these alphabetically, so there's no particular one better than the other, 1 to 5, just alphabetical. Edwin Jagger, DE89. I've said about this razor before, if you like shiny things, chrome motorcycle parts, things like that, you'll love this razor. Just gleaming chrome all the way through the top. Down the handle, the upper collar, it reads Edwin Jagger. Smooth chrome, lower collar reads Sheffield, England. It's a 3-piece razor, meaning you disassemble it by unscrewing the handle. Top cap, safety bar, handle. 3 pieces. The specs on this razor weighs in at 2.4 ounces or 68 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.8 inches or 97 millimeters. Excellent razor. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it comes with 1 feather double-edged blade, so you can get started shaving right away. Feather blades are about the sharpest blade out there. Next up, a relative newcomer on the scene, the Henson Al13. These razors are made in Canada. This is aluminum. And this razor here the color is aircraft aluminum. This is also a 3-piece razor. It's got really nice lines. It's very modern looking, kind of high-tech looking. It's got horizontal grooves going down the handle. The handle tapers from narrow to thicker at the bottom. Very easy to grip. It's a little bit light, but a very excellent shaving razor. This razor comes in a mild and medium version and also aggressive. But if you're a beginner, you want to go with the mild to medium version. Again, a 3-piece razor. So you just disassemble and then you take a look. Top cap, safety bar. Insert your blade and you're good to go with your shave. The specs on this razor weighs in at 1.3 ounces or 37 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 4.1 inches or 104 millimeters. The Al13 comes in this color, aircraft aluminum, also copper, jet black, steel blue, and tan. If you buy it from Shave Nation, comes with a 5-pack of RK blades, so you can get started shaving right away. Next up, if you've heard me say the workhorse of the industry, this is it. Merkur 34C, very popular razor, also known as the HD. This razor is made in Solingen, Germany. Gleaming chrome. It's got knurling on the handle, vertical lines at the bottom. It says Merkur Solingen around this lower collar here. This happens to be a 2-piece razor. So you just spin the dial at the bottom, breaks down into 2 pieces. Insert your blade right there. Reassemble, you're ready to rock and roll with your shave. This razor weighs in at 2.7 ounces or 78 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.25 inches or 82 millimeters. Very popular safety razor. A lot of people start with this razor. Next up, we have the Mueller R89. This razor is made in Germany. It's got a gleaming chrome head, knurling on the handle for better grip. Around the bottom, it says Muhle twice around the bottom, around this bottom collar here. Also a 3-piece razor. Disassemble, top cap, safety bar, handle. Some of these razors have a little protective paper in between so they don't get scratched in shipping. Also a very popular razor, Mueller R89. Excellent razor. Specs on this razor, it weighs in at 2.2 ounces or 62 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 3.75 inches or 95 millimeters. If you buy this razor from Shave Nation, it comes with 1 Muhle test blade, so you can get started shaving right away. Next up, we have the Parker 22R. It's got a gunmetal finish, which is pretty sweet looking. Check it out. This razor has vertical lines running from top to bottom and also diagonal lines in the bottom portion of the handle for better grip. And this is a butterfly or twist to open razor, meaning you just spin the handle at the bottom and the doors open like that. So there's no 2 or 3 pieces, it's one piece. Open the doors, drop in your blade, you're good to go. This razor weighs in at
3.4 ounces.
196 grams. Overall length from top to bottom is 4.25 inches or 108 millimeters. Also a very popular razor. This razor is made in India. If you buy it at Shave Nation, it comes with a 5-pack of Parker blades, so you can get shaving right away. That's 5, so let's throw one more in, a bonus razor. This will be a Rockwell 2C. Hefty razor. This razor has smooth chrome, precise knurling on the handle, very easy to grip. It's got a good heft to it. It's a little bit shorter, but still feels very nice in the hand. This razor is a 3-piece razor. This razor comes with a safety bar, which is flippable, meaning you drop in your blade, and then the number that you're looking at, it's either R3 or R1. R1 is mild, R3 a little bit more aggressive. So you have a couple of options with this razor. Insert your blade, reassemble the handle, get your shave on. This razor weighs in at 3.5 ounces or 99 grams. Overall length from top to bottom, 3.75 inches or 95 millimeters. Also a very popular beginner's razor. It's got a nice heft. Rockwell razors are made in Canada. So this razor comes in white chrome that you see here. Also comes in gunmetal right here. And copper, which is kind of a rose gold looking color. All very nice. If you buy it at Shave Nation, the Rockwell 2C comes with a 5-pack of Rockwell blades, so you can get started shaving right away. So there you go. There's a good variety of 5, actually 6 different razors. And I have a video shaving with each one of these razors. I'll put a link for each one, and you can check them out and see what you think, and then you can make an educated decision, see which one you want to get. If you want to pick up any of these razors, just click down below the video where it says more or show more, and you'll see each one listed there. And there will also be, when you click on it, there will be a video corresponding with that razor, so you can see it in action. All right, do me a favor before I head out. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Pass this one around so people learn about beginner safety razors. I greatly appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.